Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Volume.
What does the dictionary say?
The amount of space, measured in cubic units, that an object or substance occupies.
Math rap.
Volume. The amount of space you can cram into a three-dimensional place. Measured in liters, pints, or gallons, you see. It's also known as capacity.
Math rap.
Explain volume in your own words. When in everyday life do you need to measure volume? Play a volume guessing game. Grab some sugar or sand, a small cup, and a large container. Predict how many scoops of sugar or sand from the small cup are needed to completely fill the larger container. Then, give it a try. Were you close in guessing the number of needed scoops? Explain. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!